When it comes to protecting your home from the unpredictable and often harsh elements of Maryland's climate, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing weatherproof windows. As a homeowner in Laurel, where winters can be cold and snowy and summers can bring intense heat and humidity, choosing the right windows for your home is essential. Weatherproof windows not only improve your home's comfort but also increase energy efficiency and reduce the risk of damage caused by fluctuating weather conditions. In this article, we'll dive into why weatherproof windows in Laurel are crucial for the local climate, how they benefit your home, and the key features you should look for when upgrading your windows. Maryland's climate and the need for weatherproof windows. Maryland's climate can be challenging for homeowners. The state experiences 4 distinct seasons, ranging from cold winters with snow and ice to hot, humid summers. This variation in temperatures and weather conditions means that homes in Laurel must be prepared for both extreme cold and excessive heat. The right windows can make a significant difference in how well your home holds up to these shifts. Cold winters. During the winter months, temperatures in Maryland can dip below freezing, and snowstorms are common. If your windows are not weatherproof, they can allow heat to escape, making it harder to keep your home warm. This results in higher heating bills and less comfort. Hot, humid summers. Conversely, summer temperatures can soar, often reaching the high 80s and 90s, combined with high humidity. Without weatherproof windows, your home can heat up quickly, requiring constant air conditioning. This can make your home feel uncomfortable and increase your energy consumption. By choosing weatherproof windows, you create a barrier that helps your home maintain a comfortable temperature regardless of the season, improving both comfort and energy efficiency. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the biggest advantages of weatherproof windows is their ability to improve your home's energy efficiency. Windows are a major source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Without proper insulation, your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy bills. Insulated glass. Weatherproof windows often feature double or triple glazing with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes. These features significantly reduce the transfer of heat, helping to keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Low-E coatings. Many weatherproof windows are also coated with low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into your home during winter and block out excessive heat in the summer. This reduces the need for constant heating or cooling, leading to lower utility bills. By investing in weatherproof windows, you'll reduce your home's energy consumption and see significant savings on your heating and cooling costs over time. Protection against water damage. Another crucial benefit of weatherproof windows is their ability to protect your home from water damage. Maryland's rainy seasons can be quite intense, and without proper window seals, water can easily leak into your home. Over time, water infiltration can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. Waterproof seals. High-quality weatherproof windows come with tight, weather-resistant seals that prevent water from entering your home, even during heavy rainstorms. These seals ensure that the window frame remains secure and dry, protecting your home's interior from moisture damage. Improved frame materials. Many weatherproof windows are built with vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, which are more resistant to water damage compared to traditional wood frames. These materials won't warp or rot when exposed to moisture, providing long-term protection. By choosing weatherproof windows, you can avoid the costly damage that comes from water infiltration and ensure your home remains dry and safe. Enhanced comfort throughout the year. In addition to energy efficiency and protection from water damage, weatherproof windows also contribute to a more comfortable living environment. Poorly sealed windows can lead to drafts, cold spots in the winter, and an overly warm interior in the summer. Temperature regulation. Weatherproof windows are designed to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, preventing drafts and cold spots in the winter and reducing the amount of heat entering your home during the summer. This helps your HVAC system operate more efficiently and ensures your home stays comfortable throughout the year. Reduced noise pollution. Another often overlooked benefit of weatherproof windows is their ability to reduce external noise. The insulating properties of modern windows, especially those with multiple panes of glass, can block out street noise, traffic, and other environmental sounds, creating a quieter indoor environment. By investing in weatherproof windows, you enhance the comfort of your home, making it a more enjoyable space year-round. Long-term durability. While weatherproof windows may have a higher initial cost compared to standard windows, they offer exceptional durability and long-term performance. The high-quality materials used in these windows, such as fiberglass, vinyl, or composite frames, are designed to withstand the harsh weather conditions of Maryland's climate. UV protection. Weatherproof windows with low E coatings also offer protection against UV rays, preventing your furniture, flooring, and fabrics from fading over time due to sun exposure. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional wood windows, which require regular painting and sealing, modern weatherproof windows are low maintenance and designed to last for decades without significant wear and tear. Increased home value. Investing in weatherproof windows can also increase the overall value of your home. Homebuyers appreciate homes with energy-efficient, durable, and low-maintenance features. By upgrading to weatherproof windows, you're not only improving your own living experience but also adding to your home's resale value. Conclusion. For homeowners in Laurel and throughout Maryland, weatherproof windows are an essential upgrade to combat the challenges posed by the state's climate. From improving energy efficiency and reducing water damage to enhancing comfort and boosting home value, these windows offer long-term benefits that are well worth the investment. By choosing high-quality weatherproof windows, you ensure your home remains protected, comfortable, and energy efficient no matter what the weather throws your way.